Greetings, Earthlings. Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Friday Bitcoin update. It is Mr. E. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a beautiful day. Hope you're ready for a great weekend. I know you are. Started off today, we're going to take another look at this SPX chart. You can see here we had a nice weekly close. Big green candle there, and our RSI is popping above this resistance, horizontal resistance. I showed this yesterday. This is what you're looking for if you want the bullish trend to continue. So you can see we popped right above here, and a retest to this level and continuation up would be extremely bullish. Can that happen? Absolutely. Will it? I have no idea. And anybody that tells you they do is lying. But I can look at a chart and say it is definitely possible. Probably probable. Probably probable. Probably probable. Another chart I was looking at. This is Chainlink against the United States dollar 1 week on Coinbase. This is a great example of support and resistance. You can see this rectangle right here, these swing highs here. Came up, price came up, resistance, and then retested this same level much later. This also happened right here. Swing high, retest, move up, and let's see if that happens again. This trend line, long trend line, down trend line on the RSI broke. And then the RSI has been trending up recently. You can see here we have a little strangeness, divergence type stuff happening with the RSI and the price. So that is an indication that something's going to happen pretty soon. If the markets all continue up, the broader markets in Bitcoin, I would expect this to follow suit and move up. Next chart, let's just take a look at little Mr. Bitcoin here. Actually, big boy Bitcoin. What am I talking about? We're on the 12-hour. We're still in our range here, just trucking along. Sideways, not much has changed since yesterday. Daily candle, just green. Just sideways consolidation, range bound. Run through the stochastics. 12-hour fresh cross up, 18-hour up, daily was a little tick down, 2-day up, 3-day up, 4-day still up, 5-day tapping the 100 level, slowing down a bit, 10-day up, weekly up, hitting the 100, 2-week still up and sideways, 3-week up, monthly up with a slight tick down on the slope. We'll see if that continues. We'll actually get a new monthly candle right now. Excuse me. Happy monthly close. Didn't even realize it. I thought it was tomorrow. So anyway, I guess I'll have to do another video for the monthly updates. All right, I'm ready. That'll be tomorrow. Moving right along, this is the CME futures chart weekly. So these are weekly closes. They close on Friday. You don't have to wait till Sunday to see these closes. This chart's a bit messy. Not messy, just got two indicators on here. First, I wanted to highlight the close above the median line on the Gaussian channel. That is noteworthy. That is a sign of strength. And the Ichi paired this together. You notice here we have our blue line with a tick up still. Red is above the blue. These are all bullish signs. If you take a look at the blue and you see this upslope here, this has not happened. Last uptick we had was over here. Tiny little one over here, but you can see that once the major trend shifts, ticks up, and continues up, this is when we get these prolonged bull markets. Is that the start of this? Potentially. We'll just have to wait and see. Another chart. So this is the RSI MACD 4 hour we were looking at for our little swing trade a few days ago, about a week ago, I guess. Now you can see we had a retest on this trend line of the 4 hour RSI. Came back down to test it, and we're bouncing off right now. See if that continues up. Definitely possible. MACD 4 hour just kind of coiling up with the sideways action. We're gonna get a break eventually. Not sure when. Could just continue sideways for a while. Now a bit of a abstract charting idea. So again, this is the futures chart. We're on the weekly. Got a few things going on here. Just wanted to highlight a different way of looking at things. So first of all, I've got these 3 lines on here. So this is essentially we get a high, higher high, lower high, and we roll over, kind of a head and shoulders type of pattern. Same thing just happened recently on the bottom. We get a low, a lower low, and then a higher low, and possible continuation to the upside. And you can see this rectangle lies right about in the middle of all of this. And again, now I have this circle on here just for a point of reference to divide these levels in half, and you can see the circle is pretty much right in the middle. So the same thing happened over here. This low comes back to this low, and this high is this high. So this circle is essentially filling in this space right here. Now something interesting, if you take this circle and you move it here, it's just a little too big, fit it to the candlesticks there, and you will notice it fits in there almost to the T. So if you're a bull, what you want to happen is for this circle to make another step up. Essentially, think of this as a circle going up the steps, following this little sine wave here. So this is just some kind of advanced charting techniques, but it's a very interesting way to look at the charts using some geometrical techniques and whatnot. So quick little roundup. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Mr. E. Have a beautiful day. Shout out Jay Sicka for tuning in. Oh, and I think I have an actual new subscriber. So if you're watching again, thanks for subscribing. And if you think you know something you want to hear about that I might be able to help you with, leave a comment. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.